In this video, you'll learn how to set Perplexity as your default search engine in Google Chrome. This process will allow you to easily access Perplexity whenever you search from the address bar, streamlining your web browsing experience. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look for the Chrome icon, which typically appears as a colored circle with red, green, and yellow segments. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three vertical dots located in that corner. This icon represents the Chrome menu will appear, displaying various options for customization and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will direct you to the Chrome settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your browsing experience. The settings page may take a moment to load, so be patient while it appears. Once the settings page is visible, look to the left sidebar. Here you will find several categories. Click on Search Engine to expand the available options. This section allows you to manage your search engine preferences. After selecting Search Engine, click on Manage Search Engines. This will take you to a list of all available search engines, including those that are currently set up in Chrome. You may need to scroll to find this option. Now, locate and click on the Add button. A form will appear prompting you to enter details for the new search engine. In the name field, type Perplexity to identify this search engine clearly. Next, in the shortcut field, enter quote Perplexity.ai. This shortcut will make it easier to access Perplexity in the future. In the URL field, input https://www.perplexity.ai/search $%s. This specific URL format allows Chrome to utilize Perplexity for searches conducted through the address bar. After entering all the necessary information, click the Save button to store your new search engine settings. Once saved, you will return to the list of search engines. Find Perplexity in this list. To set it as the default, click on the three vertical dots next to Perplexity. A small menu will appear from which you should select Make Default. This action will set Perplexity as your primary search engine. After completing these steps, you can now search using Perplexity directly from the Chrome address bar. If you experience any issues with the setup, ensure that you have entered the correct URL and that Chrome is updated to the latest version. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.